Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am in the house with the Spartan Blades RC Folder Plague Doctor Edition here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella right over here that I got there. This is a USA-made knife, S45VN steel blade. This is, designed by Bill Harsey, and it's Spartan RC Folder SHF in the Plague Doctor Edition. Just check this engraving going on over here. Look at the, just trying to get as close as possible. It's crazy. I mean, this of course is Plague Doctor Edition, of course, is a 2020 edition. Reminds, of course, of the pandemic going on the global scale. This is like 3.75 inch long cutting edge, and for almost 5 inches for the handle. Overall, this is like, look at this, almost 9 inches long. It's not a small knife by any means. It's a pretty cool one. I mean, S45VN steel blade with the nice stonewash finish, drop point blade, titanium frame lock. It's made in US. Look at these slabs of titanium, anodized, engraved. It's pretty cool. It's very well made. This reminds me kind of like hinder knives, like for the jimping. Over here, the thickness of the scales, and kind of like a Sebenza feel, because of course this guy's running on washers. There's thumb studs, not a flipper. So it has like a little bit of those two words together. It's a very sturdy, strong frame lock. Look at the slabs. I mean, they're pretty thick. The design is nice, is good. It has good ergos. The lock bar access is not ideal. There's a tiny bit of lock stick, but the thumb stud are making a nice and snappy action. Of course, the action is not drop shot by any means, because, I mean, washers, what do you expect? You also have a little bit of weight. Even if it's titanium, the stock thickness is not that thin. There's no internal milling, and that's going to reflect into 6.02 ounces in your pocket. So it's not a lightweight folder. Couple standoffs, a lanyard hold rocking over there. I mean, it's an interesting one for sure. It has like this arrow cut out in the tip-up carry only reversible pocket clip with the insert with the Spartan head on the show side scale. So it just centered, and I mean, it works well. The sound, it's snappy. It's like kind of loud, deep, but nothing too crazy. Ergos are also good. But anyways, if you want to know more, you can check out my full-length review. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned.